No, it's not chicken. It's vegan. Tell me what it is. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris, and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Alright, gonna be making veggie chunks. Alright, curry coconut veggie chunks. Straight vegan dish today. First thing you want to do, want to get the veggie chunks washed. And what is veggie chunks? Veggie chunks is made from soybeans, packed with protein, about 14 grams of protein per serving. And I call it the beef of vegetables. The texture is that of beef when cooked. This is the lighter color one. You have a darker color veggie chunks. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to wash this. Full lot of cocoa, right? So this is 227 grams. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt. What we're doing is going to flavor this from the get-go. Mix that in. I'll just give that a mix. I'm hungry. I want some coconut veggie chunks. Alright, now that's going. For this recipe, we normally use potato for curry. But I don't have any potato, so I'm going into a piece of yam. Add the yams directly to this because the yams take a while to cook. Stir that in. I'm just going to let these cook until tender. We have one small carrot cut into your desired shape. We have one small white onion julienne strip. We have a thumb-sized piece of ginger chopped. We have half of a Scotch bonnet pepper or pepper to your spice tolerance chopped. We have here 3 garlic cloves chopped. And we have 1 head of scallion or 1 stalk of green scallion chopped, or you call it green onion. Over here we have about 2 stalks of fresh thyme, half of a bell pepper cut into julienne strip. And we're ready to go. Our chunks and yams are cooking perfectly. Our chunks and yams are cooking perfectly. Alright, so we're going to use a coconut because remember this is some coconut curry. Righteous. Beautiful. Work your way down to the, there we go. So about a cup of the fresh coconut in our blender. Put some water to cover the pieces. veggie chunks are nice and soft. And then we have the yams that are cooked, and we'll throw that water off. Just gonna let that rest on the stove top while we heat up a pan to saute our veggies. 2.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use whichever oil of your choice. We're gonna go into our carrots and our onions first. Saute these until softened and translucent. Season that with a little bit of salt, about a half teaspoon. That will help to soften the onions a bit more and bring out a lot of that flavor. Alright, so this is at a nice color that we want. Gonna add in now our scotch bonnet pepper as well as our garlic and ginger. We put the garlic and ginger in at this moment because you don't want to burn it. And that's on a medium heat. Things smell so great. I made some space in the center right here. After sauteing, add a little bit more oil, about a teaspoon. I'm going to go in with some curry powder, about a tablespoon and a half. I'm going to allow this curry powder to toast in the oil. In Jamaica we say burn the curry. So once it's coming to a slight smoke point, you can toss in everything. So that is it, that is it. Looking good. In now with the veggie chunks and the yam. Toss that up. Get all of that curry essence and color. As I said, the yam is used in replacement for that Irish potato. I will saute the vegetables so that they get a nice caramelized taste. Let's toss that around. That's smelling good, looking even better. I'm going to season that with about a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, or to your tolerance, however much you want that to be seasoned. About a tablespoon, this is already measured out. A few allspice berries, about 8 or 10. Black pepper, about a teaspoon and a half teaspoon, depending on your spice tolerance. Toss that up. Yeah man, that looking like some curry chicken tenders right now. I'm gonna go in with that blended coconut fresh. Yes sir, yes ma'am. Yam or the potato in this will help to thicken based on the starch level. I'm gonna add a little bit of that flakes in there, about a tablespoon. Now how can that be completed without a half a tablespoon of butter or margarine? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Like that. Allow that butter to melt in nicely. Coconut to cook down. Everything to thicken up. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. In with the greens. In with the greens. Bring some color to the thing. Bring some color to the thing. Put that piece of fresh thyme right in the center to Get all that flavor out. The question is, what will you be eating this week? Ha ha. Beautifully done. Ready to go. Alright, going into a bit of that in here. A little bit of everything. Going for a taste. Here.